What's up guys, welcome back to another video. This video I'll be showing you how to get loot in Lazy Survival Shooter. So if you're looking to get loot or just increase the resources that you currently have right now, well, there are a few things that we need to understand here. Now getting loot here requires you attacking different people. So if you want to get loot or additional resources, typically you want to go to the game itself, log in into your account, and you want to go to the world tab at the bottom right here, and you want to go and start looking for people that he would like to attack. Now the thing with this one is they have different power. Like for example, this one it has this user has like 208,000 power, and mine right now is around like 300,000. So yeah, so you could go and attack this user here, and once you finish attacking them, you can basically just get loot from that successful attack. But just make sure that your attack here is successful, because attacks will cause you to lose units, which is not cost effective if you lose units and you also lose the attack itself. But yeah, after attacking, just make sure that you return into to your base. So there's like auto return option here. So just an idea, let's go and click on attack here, confirm. So yeah, there's an auto return function here. So you can go and select that. So once finish attacking, it will automatically return to your base here. Just make sure you have like enough units to attack when you're doing so. And also another way for you to get resources is there are like different resource nodes here that you could gather resources. So you can go and do that instead of attacking. That would be really helpful if you're not attacking and just idling away here. But yeah, so that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.